For decades, Dr. Sebi taught that the body heals itself when given the right herbs and alkaline foods. This video breaks down the exact herbs, foods, and healing steps Dr. Sebi taught for cleansing the body, restoring energy, and supporting natural cellular repair. And at the end of this video, you'll get a powerful bonus healing formula Dr. Sebi never publicly taught, but which aligns perfectly with his methodology, and many herbalists still use today. Let's begin. Dr. Sebi taught that all disease begins with excess mucus and cellular acidity. Here's the science behind that. When the body becomes too acidic, organs become stressed. The immune system produces mucus as a defense barrier. Over time, this mucus blocks nutrient absorption, oxygen flow, and organ performance. Think of your body like a clean river. When the river flows freely, everything thrives. But when that river becomes clogged with waste, nothing grows. Herbs and alkaline foods act like river cleaners. They remove blockages, wash out waste, and restore natural flow. That is the foundation of Dr. Sebi's entire system. These are the herbs he relied on most for detoxification, cleansing, and internal repair. Each one plays a specific role in the healing cycle. Let's break them down. Herb 1. Burdock root. What it does: cleanses the blood through the liver and lymphatic system, removes heavy metals and toxins, reduces inflammation, clears the skin, supports kidney function. Modern studies show burdock contains lignans, quercetin, and powerful antioxidants that trap and remove circulating toxins. This is why it's used for skin disorders, swelling, and chronic inflammation. How to use: 1. Add 1-2 teaspoons dried burdock root to 2 cups water. 2. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Strain. 4. Drink once or twice daily. Many people notice improved skin clarity, less bloating, and more energy after 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Herb 2. Sea moss.
Mug of sea moss in the morning and 2 glasses of water.
Why Dr. Sebi loved it? Sea moss is one of the most powerful mineral sources on Earth. It contains 92 of the 102 minerals the human body needs for optimal function. Benefits: strengthens thyroid function, boosts immunity, improves digestion, supports joint health, enhances metabolism. Sea moss is rich in iodine, magnesium, potassium, and algin, a compound known to bind to toxins and pull them out of the digestive tract. How to prepare sea moss gel. 1. Rinse raw sea moss thoroughly. 2. Soak 12-24 hours in spring water. 3. Blend with fresh spring water. 4. Refrigerate. How to use: take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in smoothies, tea, or soups. Sea moss is considered a cellular food. It replenishes your body like rain revives a dry field. Herb 3. Elderberry.
Here is a plant in front of us that is known in Central America by the Spanish-speaking Indians. They call him sauco. Sauco is a plant that in the berries we find that the mineral of iron is found. Iron phosphate is found in these berries, and these berries are responsible for us reversing a lot of diseases that sits in the blood. It contains iron phosphate. This plant, the sauco, when it sends its roots into the ground, it converts that oxide mineral into a liquid digestible substance known, the process is known as iontrophoresis, or the conversion from a solid to a liquid. And here Mother Nature has converted iron, which is solid, into a berry for you to enjoy.
Elderberry, popularly known as sarco in Spanish, is a frontline herb against viruses and mucus congestion. Benefits: powerful antiviral properties, breaks down mucus, supports respiratory health, high in antioxidants. Elderberry contains anthocyanins, compounds shown in research to reduce the duration of colds and flu. How to prepare elderberry syrup. 1. Simmer 1 to 2 cup dried elderberries in 2 cups water for 20 minutes. 2. Strain. 3. Sweeten lightly with agave, optional. 4. Take 1 tablespoon daily or 3 tablespoons when sick. Herb. 4. Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla is an herb that has the highest concentrate of iron. Fluorine, iron.
This herb is one of the richest plant sources of plant-based iron, crucial for oxygen-rich blood. Benefits: builds strong oxygenated blood, supports energy and recovery, helps with anemia and fatigue. Sarsaparilla contains saponins, which enhance mineral absorption, making iron more bioavailable. How to use: 1 teaspoon in hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. Drink once daily. Iron is the body's natural battery pack. Low iron, chakun, low energy. Sarsaparilla charges the body from inside out. Herb. 5. Dandelion root. Dandelion root focuses on detoxing and regenerating the liver. Benefits: supports liver detox, improves digestion, balances hormones, strengthens metabolism. Dandelion root has natural compounds that stimulate bile production, essential for digestion and detoxification. How to use: boil 2 teaspoons in 2 cups water for 10 minutes, drink morning and night. Herbs are not weak. In fact, over 25% of modern pharmaceuticals originated from plants, including aspirin, morphine, and quinine. Healing isn't just about herbs. The alkaline diet is the engine that drives detoxification. Let's go deeper. Step 1. Remove acidic, mucus-forming foods. Eliminate dairy, meat, white flour, processed sugar, table salt, alcohol, corn, soy, hybrid grains. These foods trigger mucus buildup, inflammation, digestive stress, mineral loss. Removing them allows the body to shift from defensive mode to healing mode. Step 2. Build an alkaline healing plate. Use foods Dr. Sebi approved. Alkaline grains, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, wild rice, vegetables, mushrooms, kale, zucchini, watercress, bell peppers, fruits, figs, berries, apples, dates, Seville oranges, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil. These foods provide minerals the body needs for detoxification and repair. Step 3. Sample daily meal plan. Breakfast: sea moss smoothie, berries, dates, hemp seeds, alkaline water.
Now, what do we begin with? In the morning, you want to strengthen your bones and your nerve and your energy, uplifting sea moss. When you wake up in the morning, you drink a big mug of sea moss. Do not sweeten it with sugar. If you put sugar in it, you have just adulterated it. You drink it without the sugar or with maple syrup. When you wake up, you drink your cup of sea moss, and you drink 2 glasses of water, and you take off for work. That's all you need. At noontime, you could eat a salad or fruit. In the evening time, that's when you could eat, your mushrooms, your squash, your quinoa, grain, quinoa, Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that comes from South America. You could also buy wild rice, which is natural. The Haitians have a mushroom that grows in Haiti called jonjon. Let me tell you all something. Jonjon is so good. Remember what I said. Anything God makes is natural. Anything man made, not so, and will hurt you.
Lunch: quinoa and mushroom bowl with kale, avocado, and olive oil. Snack: walnuts or sliced apples with dates. Dinner: grilled portobello mushroom steak, wild rice, sautéed zucchini, and bell peppers. This routine reduces inflammation, replenishes minerals, and supports cellular healing. Step 4. Hydration protocol. Drink 1 to 2 liters of spring water. Daily spring water contains natural electrolytes and minerals missing in purified or tap water.
In Honduras, I drink thermal water. It comes out of the ground at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, sometime at 210, little above boiling point, which the boiling point is 212, right? But it comes up at 200. which is purified. Anything that comes out the ground at 90 and above is purified by nature. In America, when I'm in America, I try to look carefully and see that I drink spring water. Spring water, not distilled water. Distilled water has a pH of 7. Has a pH of 7, which is neutral. It's not good to drink because it would rob you of your minerals. Spring water has the minerals. The dissolved solids are high. So when you buy your water, buy spring water. Don't buy purified water. Spring water.
Step 5. Eating rhythm. Eat 2 meals per day and 1 light snack. Intermittent fasting gives the body more time to digest, more time to detox, more time to heal. Healing happens when the digestive system is resting. Benefits of the alkaline healing lifestyle. When the body becomes alkaline, inflammation decreases, mucus dissolves, energy increases, digestion becomes smoother, the immune system strengthens, skin glows, weight normalizes, sleep improves, mental clarity returns. Your body shifts from surviving to thriving. Here's the powerful herbal combination many healers use: burdock root plus sarsaparilla, thus elderberry. Together, they create a powerful synergy that cleanses the blood, strengthens immunity, increases mineral absorption, breaks down mucus faster. Take this blend 3 to 4 times weekly for enhanced results. If you found this guide powerful, just imagine the transformation that comes from applying these steps. Clearer skin, cleaner blood, less inflammation, more energy, sharper thinking. Subscribe for weekly natural health guides, and don't miss the next video. The hidden dangers of seedless fruits that doctors never mention.